Hey guys, welcome back to CLOCKWISE Crypto. Hope you guys move forward in everything that you do. The crypto markets are melting right now. Let's dive in. So taking a look here at everything going on here, we're going to look at CoinMarketCap first. So we see here CoinMarketCap, we see a ton of fear and a ton of red everywhere, right? Red everywhere, blood on the streets, literally. But we view this as opportunity, guys. The reason why I say we view this as an opportunity, we take a look at Bitcoin, right? And we see Bitcoin, if we refresh this, we see Bitcoin $96,000, okay? Red everywhere, right? Double digit pullbacks for the past 7-day percentages, but just blood on the streets, guys. Why is there blood on the streets, right? There's some people saying, oh, it's because of President Trump's tariffs, causing panic. I truly believe it's just market manipulation, guys. They want to keep this price down as long as possible to accumulate as much as possible. Meanwhile, retail traders, they're selling, especially newbies and people that just got in, right? Let's say they got in Cardano at 90 cents and now it's at 70 cents. So they experienced a 10% pullback or so, right? Or, the past 7 days, let's say 20%. Okay. And they never been in crypto before. They never experienced this type of volatility. They sell for a loss, never to get in it again. Meanwhile, you have institutions and venture capitals and hedge funds accumulating bags still. And you can see that on the blockchain. You can see people are still accumulating large bags. So let's dive in. Let's dive into the charts here. We'll see here what's happening on Bitcoin. Bitcoin falling back into range. We see the charts. You see the pretty much the levels that we had here, broke the level of support that we had. Now we just put this level of support on, which is about 100,000. We can just say it's 100,000. Move it up a little bit. 100,000 level of support was broken. Now it looks like we're heading down to that 90,000 psychological level, right? And everything that we're seeing, there's nothing saying that we're going to break. It's just a wait and see situation, but a ton of fundamental news going out. We got what's going on in Canada, the tariffs in Canada. We got the tariffs in Mexico, and you just have a lot of change going on in the markets right now. But historically, you guys know, historically, we have seen major momentum with Bitcoin. Double-digit gains in Bitcoin. Going to an article that I saw, a post I saw, I should say, from Plan B. He's pretty much saying here everything that we're seeing up until this point, going back the past few cycles that we've seen. And based off of this, is painting a picture of a $270,000 Bitcoin price, right? Now, it's hard to see that, right? It's hard to see with everything going on. It's hard to see this with the fear and greed index being 39, right? But you guys know we buy when there's blood on the streets. This is the time we dump in and buy, right? We're not waiting for a bottom. We're not waiting for things to get better, because then you just miss out on prices, right? This is the time when you accumulate more. You can accumulate a bag at a discount. And so I want to see fear greed index yellow, orange, or red, which we're currently just about orange. Okay. And I want to see it be a red day. Of course, it is a red day. You see red everywhere. That's our signal to buy some projects. That's our signal to accumulate more and take more positions in different cryptos, right? So I love what I'm seeing here, especially with like Ethereum discount. All right. Even Dogecoin down to 25 cents discount. Cardano, didn't think I would see Cardano under 80 cents again. Discount at 76. Avalanche is pulled back. Even worse, Solana's under $200 again. Like huge. You have XLM, Stellar, 33 cents. Hedera is at 23 cents again. Big, guys, big. And just scrolling down, you're seeing all of these altcoins at a discount. But this is the art. Right? This crypto bubbles is the artwork of profits, right? This is the artwork you need to see when you know that bullish momentum's coming. This is the artwork that you see to know that you're getting more times than not in a pretty good position, right? And when it starts turning, is typically when you see everything being green and then you buy. Typically, you're not getting in the best position that you could have gotten in buying in times like this. These are the times you want to accumulate, and more times than not, people are going to get shaked out. Like stuff like this happens, it's going to shake out the retail investors. It's going to shake out those new investors that came in, within the past 90 days and never seen swings like this. They're down 20%, 30%, and they want 100%, 200% gains, but can't handle a 20% pullback, right? This is what crypto is all about. You know, it's changing your psychology and also realizing the opportunity at hand to get gains you never had. You're gonna have to do things and hold through pullbacks that you never experienced before. Okay, so definitely opportunity though. I see ICP. You guys, we've been eyeing ICP. Probably gonna grab a bag of ICP. It's at $7 now. I told you guys we were hesitant of buying ICP at $10. Just felt that was a little hefty. But definitely going to take a position now, especially at $7. Huge steal. Floki's pullback as well. Huge steal. H-bar. A ton of huge steals. Like these projects that we don't typically talk about, like Render, pulling back, right? The projects that were a little hefty or a little rich are now looking pretty good, and really a good time to buy bags, right? So Sui's pulled back a little bit as well, almost under $2, almost under $3, I should say. And Uniswap down 20%, $8 Uniswap. Wow. So the opportunities everywhere. The opportunities right here. That is what you need to think about when you're thinking about your portfolio strategy. Right now is not the time to sell for losses. Right, it's not the time. You have XRP at $2.34 now versus a $3 XRP. Right. Now is not the time to sell at a loss. Okay. Now is not time to get fearful. Not financial advice is what we're doing. You have these projects that are extreme discounts, and you can take advantage of that, guys. So I pull back and looking at this Bitcoin price, RSI moving average, and realized price stock to flow chart by Plan B. And pretty much we're right where we should be. Right. If you take a look back in 2016, 2017, you see the green and the yellow, the red right here in this area right here. And then you see what happened next time. We see the green, yellow before exploding up. OK, we're seeing the same thing. Green, yellow, a little bit of orange, explode up, guys. That's where we're at. All right. So everyone's panicking. This week might be a little rough, right? It might be a little rough. Everyone's panicking, but just remember where we're at based on historically what we've seen. And ultimately, you're investing in technology that is going to change the world, right? It's not going anywhere. At this point, you know Bitcoin is not going anywhere. So if anything, you see Bitcoin at $95,000, and you know there's a high probability that Bitcoin is going to reach $1 million. $95,000 is still a steal. It's a steal, guys. It's a steal. It's not going anywhere. The asset's not going anywhere. And we've seen historically the upside is in our favor. So definitely wanted to highlight that and give you guys some wisdom and give you guys some knowledge. We've been through. This is the third bull market we're going through. Okay, so with this being the third, we've seen this before. People get shaked out. People get very fidgety and panicky, selling, start texting their buddies. Hey, do you see what's going on? Oh my goodness. Right? You're going to get these texts. You're going to get those people that aren't even in crypto are going to come and say, hey, I heard not doing too well with that crypto, huh? And that's not going too well. You're going to start hearing them, right? Not realizing that this is the opportunity. This is when you want to accumulate whatever bag you've been sitting on the sideline with. Whatever bag you've been sitting with on the sideline, that is what you want to accumulate. Whatever you've been waiting for, you've been sitting and contemplating. That Ethereum, it's 3,000. Oh, now it's down to 2,700. This is the time to accumulate that bag while it's at 27, right? So we are excited about what we're seeing. We're excited. Definitely going to take advantage of this opportunity and hope you guys do the same. Not financial advice, but we've seen this play out time and time again. We've seen this play out where people get all fidgety and get very scared, and that causes them to miss out on an opportunity, guys, because the institutions and the hedge funds and governments are accumulating, and you have an opportunity to do the same. So guys, hope you guys have some value out of this video. Keep moving forward in everything that you do. We'll see you soon.